You know, for the longest time, the most powerful AI has felt like this distant thing, something stuck way up in the cloud. Well, that's all about to change. I mean, completely change. We are right on the edge of a revolution that's going to put all that incredible power right in your pocket, on your laptop, totally offline. Let's get into it.
So this really gets to the heart of the problem, right? Is our most powerful AI basically trapped? Because by being stuck in these giant, faraway data centers, we're hitting some serious walls when it comes to speed, privacy, and just simple access. Let's break down what that really means.
The way it works right now is pretty simple. All the AI that just blows our minds, the stuff that can write code, create art, you name it, it doesn't run on your computer. No way. It runs in these enormous server farms that are just unbelievably energy hungry and need a ton of infrastructure just to keep the lights on.
And this whole setup creates what you could call the cloud bottleneck. I mean, first off, you have to be online, all the time. Then you get those laggy responses while your request travels halfway around the world and back. And, a big one is privacy. Where is your data actually going? Who's looking at it? It's a huge question. And that's not even mentioning the massive environmental costs.
But what if we could just shatter that bottleneck? This is where things get really, really interesting. A totally radical new idea has come along that completely flips the script on how AI works.
So, the magic trick here is this new kind of model, often just called a 1-bit model. The specific one we're looking at is a 1.58-bit model. And what that means is, instead of doing super complex math, it simplifies everything down to just 3 possible values: -1, 0, or 1. That's it. This crazy simplification is the whole key. It makes the model incredibly small and efficient, but, and this is the amazing part, without sacrificing its power.
And this number, 1.58, you should just burn it into your brain. It's like the new magic number for this whole new era of hyper-efficient AI. It's the mathematical breakthrough that lets these giant models shrink down to a size that can actually, finally, run on your own devices.
Now look, having a smaller model is only half the story. You still need a way to run it, right? Think of it like this. You've just invented a revolutionary new Formula One engine. That's awesome. But you can't just drop it in your family car. You need a special car built around it to handle all that power. And that car, in our story, is called bitnet.cpp. And this really nails the point. A revolutionary engine needs a specialized chassis, a specialized transmission to actually get the power to the wheels. It's the exact same idea here. These new 1.5-bit models need a specialized piece of software to truly unlock their mind-bending potential for speed and efficiency.
So here's the side-by-side. On the one hand, you've got the old models, chugging away on incredibly complex, energy-hungry math. But on the other hand, you have bitnet.cpp, which is tailor-made for the super simple math these new models use. The official GitHub page actually calls the result fast and lossless performance. Now that is a huge claim. It means you get all the speed without sacrificing the quality of the AI's answers, even on a regular old computer.
Okay, that all sounds great, but talk is cheap, right? Where's the proof? Well, let's get into the hard data, because the numbers here are, and I'm not exaggerating, genuinely staggering.
Let's start with ARM CPUs. So these are the chips inside your phone, your tablet, a lot of modern laptops. With bitnet.cpp, we're seeing a speedup of over 5 times. That's not just a little faster. That's the difference between an experience feeling clunky and feeling absolutely instant.
And if you thought that was good, it gets even better. On x86 CPUs, so what's in most desktop computers, the speed up is even crazier. We're talking more than 6 times faster. This isn't just a small improvement. It's a total game changer for performance.
But speed is only one piece of the puzzle. Check out this energy reduction. The research shows bitnet.cpp saves over 82% of the energy. I mean, what does that translate to? Longer battery life for your devices, computers that run cooler, and a much, much smaller environmental footprint for running AI. It's a huge win all around.
And look, if you need just one sentence to really grasp the scale of what's happening here, this is it. A 100 billion parameter model, that is a massive, incredibly powerful AI, running on a regular single CPU at the speed of human reading. Seriously, just a little while ago, this was the stuff of science fiction. Now, it's a reality.
So what does all this add up to? The efficient models, the specialized software, the unbelievable performance? What does it actually mean for us? It means the future of AI isn't in some distant cloud that's controlled by a handful of giant companies. It's local. It's right here, with us, on our devices.
And you just have to look at the timeline to see how fast this is all moving.
The foundational research paper comes out in February 2024. By October, just a few months later, the software is out. And then, less than a year from the start, there's more research and official GPU support. This isn't some 10-year plan. This is happening right now, and it has incredible momentum.
And this is why it all matters. This is what it means for you. It means powerful AI assistants on your phone that are finally truly smart and instant. It means your personal data can stay right where it belongs, on your device, solving that whole privacy problem. Imagine advanced AI built into your car, your smart home, your glasses, all of it running locally, with zero lag, even when the internet is out.
So, if you take one thing away from all of this, let it be this. The era of powerful AI being chained to the cloud is coming to an end. The technology is here, right now, to break those chains, to set it free, and to put it directly into our hands on our own devices.
And that just leaves us with one final fascinating question to chew on. Once this technology is everywhere, on every phone, in every car, in every home, what becomes possible then? What are we all going to create when super fast, super efficient AI can truly, finally run anywhere?